Let's dive into another powerful side hustle that could change your income game. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need one idea and the right platform. That platform? It's called Redbubble, a global print-on-demand site where your creativity turns into passive income. Here's how it works. You upload your designs, like quotes, illustrations, or simple shapes, and Redbubble prints them on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, stickers, and more. You don't print, pack, or ship anything. Redbubble handles it all. Your job? Just create and upload. Let's break it down. Create a Redbubble account. It's free. Make a simple design. Use Canva or Photoshop. Even basic text-based quotes sell. Upload it to your store and tag it with trending keywords. Redbubble lists your design on dozens of products instantly. When someone buys, you earn a royalty, even while you sleep. Now here's the magic. People are searching every day for unique, meaningful, and aesthetic designs. Even if you're not a designer, AI tools like Kittl, Midjourney, or Canva can help you make beautiful artwork in minutes. Start simple. Stay consistent. One design won't make you rich, but 100 designs could build you a steady stream of passive income. You're not too late. The print-on-demand market is growing, and 2025 is the year people want more personalized, emotional designs. So, instead of just consuming content, start creating, because one design could be your first step to freedom. Subscribe to The Inner Light for more stories, strategies, and side hustles that light your path.